The Alfa Romeo Alfetta is a sports sedan that was produced by the Italian automaker Alfa Romeo from 1972 to 1984. The Alfetta was designed to replace the Alfa Romeo 1750 and 2000 models, and it was intended to be a more modern and refined alternative to the company's earlier sports sedans. The Alfetta was designed by Orazio Satta Puliga and Giuseppe Busso, who were both renowned designers at Alfa Romeo. The car's sleek and aerodynamic body was designed to provide excellent handling and stability, and it was equipped with a range of powerful inline-4 and V6 engines. The Alfetta was launched at the 1972 Geneva Motor Show, and it quickly gained a reputation as a fast and agile sports sedan. The car's handling and performance were praised by critics and enthusiasts alike, and it became a popular choice among driving enthusiasts. Throughout its production run, the Alfetta underwent several updates and revisions, including the introduction of new engine options and styling changes. The car was also available in a range of trim levels, including the luxurious Alfetta GT V6 and the high-performance Alfetta GT V6 Quadrifoglio Oro. The Alfetta was discontinued in 1984, but it remains a beloved and iconic model among Alfa Romeo enthusiasts. Its combination of style, performance, and handling made it a standout model in its class, and it continues to be celebrated as one of the greatest sports sedans of all time. Today, the Alfetta is highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts, and it is considered a rare and valuable classic car. Its legacy can also be seen in the modern Alfa Romeo Giulia, which was inspired by the Alfetta's design and performance.